Come to Workbook PSC Junior Cooperative Inspector Previous Question Paper discussion held on 16th October 2020. Dash is an economic order where various economic activities are carried out by private individuals for the sake of private profit. Capitalism. Dash implies economic, political, and social brotherhood among the cooperatives of the various countries of the world. Cooperative Commonwealth. International Cooperative Alliance ICA, founded in the year 1895. There are Dash principles of cooperation revised by ICA in 1995. 7. Carvey Commission submitted its report in the year 1966. Dash is not a principle of cooperation. Cooperative Commonwealth. Rochdale Equitable Pioneer Society in England was found in the year 1844. The magazine The Cooperator is published by NCUI. Dash is the journal in cooperative sector published by Information Bureau, Cooperative Department, Kerala. Sahakarana Veedi. Single-purpose cooperative societies are exclusively being organized in Denmark. NCDC was established in the year 1963. Large-sized societies were expected to have large membership ranging between dash to dash 300 to 500. KSCA-RDB was established in the year 1956. NABARD was established in the year 1982. Kerala state has adopted Dash systems of organization for marketing cooperatives. 2-tier. Which cooperative is established for the development of tribes in India? LAMS. National Dairy Development Board NDDB is constituted in the year 1965. Kerala State Handloom Weavers Cooperatives Handtex was established in the year 1961. All India Rural Credit Survey Committee is also known as Gorwala Committee. Kerala Cooperative Societies Act was passed in the year 1969. RBI Act was passed in the year 1934. The chairman of Cooperative Planning Committee was R.G. Saraiya. The statutory responsibility of audit of cooperative society is vested with the registrar. Dash is a written and predetermined plan of action for conducting an audit program. Dash is the backbone of auditing. Vouching. Section 44 of Kerala Cooperative Societies Amendment Act 2013 deals with the Dash Fund, Principal State Partnership Fund. As per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969, every society should set apart not less than dash of net profit towards its reserve fund, 15%. As per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969, every society should set apart not more than dash of net profit towards its common good fund, 10%. Dash fund created out of annual net profit of the cooperative society for meeting unforeseen losses or expenses in connection with the winding up of the society. Reserve fund. Subsidies and grant available from government to a cooperative society forms as part of its working capital. Dash is the fee payable to the government by the cooperative societies for conducting concurrent audit cost. Dash means a special charge on movable or immovable property created in favor of a cooperative institution which deals with the credit activities. Gahan. Dash is the appellate authority vested with powers of appeal, revision and review. Tribunal. The Kerala Cooperative Tribunal has Dash members. 1. An appeal to the Cooperative Tribunal can be filed within dash days from the date of such order, decision or award. 60. Section 84 of Cooperative Societies Act deals with revision by tribunal. The responsibility of cooperative audit is entrusted with the Director of Cooperative Audit. Maximum amount to be paid by the cooperative society as audit fee is rupees 1 lakh. Head of the cooperative department is registrar. The final authority of a cooperative society shall be vested with the general body. All India Cooperative Congress was held at 1956. The Agricultural Refinance Corporation was set up in 1962. Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year 1984. Dash Commission submitted the report for framing Cooperative Societies Act 1904. Sir Edward Law. Andhra Mutually Aided Cooperative Act came into existence on 1995. Dash operates under state domination. Socialism. The apex body of ICA is General Assembly. Rochdale Equitable Pioneer Society in England came into existence in the year 1844. Capitalism is an economic order where various economic activities are carried out by private individuals. Consumer Fed was started in the year 1965. The RBI has created Dash, a specialized financial institution for ensuring the deposit in banks. DICGC. Dash is an agency function of a bank, payment of insurance premium on direction of customers. The Reserve Bank was nationalized in 1949. The risk-based supervisory framework adopted by RBI from 2013 is known as SPARK. The first note issued by independent India was Rupee 1 note. The regional rural banks, state cooperative banks, district central cooperative banks are regulated by NABARD. Bank of Calcutta and Bank of Bengal were the names of Dash Bank, SBI. Principal function of banks are 1, 2, 3 and 4, all the above. The objective of KYC are only B and C. What relationship is created when the bank collects a check is clearing, collecting bank and holder. Credit risk to the bank is high from the credit card holders. Garnishee order is issued by a court of law. Sans resource means without liability to me. Under farm mechanization scheme, loan is given to farmer for purchase of farm equipment. Pick the correct statement from the following. A decrease in bank rate is likely to lead to a decrease in interest rate of banks. Maintenance of the following books registers is not compulsory for SHG. Visitors book. Wholesale banking refers to doing banking business with industrial and business entities including government and public sector companies, which is the oldest functioning joint stock bank in India, Allahabad Bank. For the first time, 14 major commercial banks were nationalized by the Indian government in the year 1969. The following statement regarding payment bank is false. Payment banks can accept deposit up to 2 lakhs per customer. The maximum age for joining in the Atal Pension Yojana is 40 years. Dash scheme will offer a renewable 1-year death-cum-disability cover of Rs 2 lakhs to all savings bank account holders in the age group of 18 to 70 years for a premium of Rs 12 per annum per subscriber, PMSBY. Dash is a life insurance scheme which covers the death of the insured regardless of the cause of the death, PMJJBY. The bank ombudsman can now pass an award penalty up to dash lakhs 20. The Clayton's rule is applicable in case of appropriation of payment in a running account. The right of general lien can be exercised in the following cases: when some securities are held by the bank as a banker. FEMA is the acronym of Foreign Exchange Management Act. Pick the statement that is not true in case of a bank account of a joint Hindu family. Death or lunacy or insolvency of a co-partner dissolves the JHF. After the small finance bank reaches the net worth of dash, listening will be mandatory within 3 years of reaching that net worth, 500 crores. An entity can be termed as a bank if a firm or company is incorporated under Indian Companies Act and accepts deposit for lending or investment. If a customer keeps certain valuables or securities with the bank for safekeeping, the bank is both A and B, both bailey and trustee. Demand deposits are those which can be withdrawn on demand. Banker's lien is an implied pledge. A minor for whom the court has appointed a guardian attains majority on completion of 18 years. Delegation of power under a trust is possible. One of the following statement is not true with respect to RTGS. Only the corporate and government departments can avail of the facility. Security features available with smart cards are multiple pins, retinal pattern verification, dynamic signature verifications, all of the above. Demand draft is issued by the banks to be valid for multiple pins 6 months. Security features available with smart cards are multiple pins, retinal pattern verification, dynamic signature verification, all of the above. When banks give home loan, the nature of charge created is a mortgage. The key in a standard keyboard which delete one character before the cursor is backspace. Which of the following is also referred to as a console? Monitor screen. A platter of a hard disk is divided into tracks and sectors. The popular image editor GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. The small memory which can be kept inside a central processing unit is referred as registers. The network device that can read the MAC address of a source and destination computers is a bridge. Which of the following is not a search engine? Find. Which of the following is correct code while designing a web page? HTML, HEAD, BODY, HTML. The practice of registering an internet domain name that is likely to be wanted by another famous persons or business. Cyber squatting. Which of the following is a system software? Device driver. Please subscribe our channel Workbook PSC. Please click the bell button. Thank you for watching our channel Workbook